Hey viewers, and I'm going to play another song. This is going to be my second. This is going to be New Super Mario Bros. Wii Castle. This is another one that came from my head, played off an instrument, and played on to... I listened to it by ear off a computer, and played it onto an instrument, and now I'm able to play it. So, let's get started on this song. You don't need to ask me to do a tutorial because I will be doing one anyways. So we're going to get started with the song. Okay. Okay. Okay, if you want to know how to play the song, stay tuned for my tutorial. Bye.